morning ka-friendship! Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng cheesy pork lumpia. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. What we're going to do next, ka-friendship, is i-mix natin ang lahat ng ating mga ingredients. Ayan, ang ating pork. Ating carrot. Ang ating onion. Ang ating garlic powder, ang ating cheese, ang ating spring onion, ang ating itlog. Ka-friendship, sa pag-break ng itlog, it's better na i-break natin siya sa separate na bowl para na halimbawa hindi maganda yung itlog na nabili natin, hindi siya maghahalo sa ating pagkain. Okay, so ayan. So mix lang natin very well, ka-friendship. Dagdagan natin ng asin. Pepper. Ayan. Mag-squeeze tayo ng 2 pirasong calamansi. Ating sesame oil, ka-friendship. Maglagay tayo ng mga 1 kutsara. So ayan na siya, ka-friendship. Mix lang natin very well. Ayan na po, ka-friendship, na-mix na natin ang ating mga ingredients. So what we're going to do next is babalutin natin ang ating mixture sa lumpia wrapper. Okay, what we're going to do next, ka-friendship, is babalutin natin ang ating mixture. Ayan, kuha lang tayo ng kaunti, ka-friendship. Then lagyan natin ng cheese. Gawa tayo ulit ng isa, ka-friendship. Lagyan natin ng cheese. And then, isisilang natin ng tubig. Okay, so ganyan ang gawin natin ka-friendship sa lahat ng ating mixture. Okay? Na po ka-friendship ang ating nabalot. Ready for frying na siya ka-friendship. Okay, what we're going to do next ka-friendship, sa malalim na pot, maglagay tayo ng generous amount of cooking oil. Going to do next ka-friendship is ipiprito na natin yung ating lumpia. So ayan, hayaan na lang muna natin sa dyan ka-friendship, and don't forget na ituturn ang ating lumpia para maging even yung pagkaluto sa kanya. Ito na po yung ating naipritong lumpia. So ayan, ready for serving na siya. Ka-friendship, ito na po yung ating finished product, ang ating cheesy pork lumpia. Okay, so ayan na po siya ka-friendship. Best serve siya with ketchup. Okay, and pwede din kayong gumawa ng kahit anong gusto nyong dipping sauce. So, kanya-kanyang trip yan ka-friendship. And sa akin, ketchup lang ang available ko. So, yun lang ang ginamit ko. Okay ka-friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating cheesy pork lumpia for today. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell, and every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Toto Mira at your service. Always remember, the best view comes after the hardest climb. Okay, thank you